Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about incrementing a number with JavaScript. Okay, you can also easily increment or add one to a variable with plus plus operator. So this is the increment operator. So you can see here, which is equivalent to I is equal to I plus 1. It's basically meaning that the value of I will be incremented by 1. Any variable it will be incremented by 1. That is the basic operation of increment operator. The entire line becomes I plus plus, eliminating the need for the equal sign. So it's very useful because we don't need to write all this, we just need to write this. Okay, so for here our objective is to change the code to use plus plus operator on myvar variable. So here it is a let, which means the declare variable won't be changing. So here instead of writing this we just have to write I plus plus, so it will be incremented by 1. Yes.